Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to like or comment on any post as a company page. Okay, if you have company page, you can comment as a company or you can like as a company. I will show you in this video how you can do this. So let's start with the video. Before you start, I'm requesting you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So guys, if you really like this video, please subscribe me. It will be motivate me. Okay, so I will show in my desktop, but if you're using Android phone, iPhone, or if you're using laptop, then you can follow the same steps. So let's start with the video. So here you can see this is my LinkedIn profile loading now. Okay, it's loading. So first you can see this is my individual profile and I have the company page. It's a demo page. Okay, so first uh, select your post, any post where you want to add, you want to comment or like as a company. Okay, so I choose. Okay, okay, I choose this post. Okay, so this is promotion. Okay, I choose this post. Just click on this. Okay, just like only. Okay, I will choose this post from YouTube. Okay, just will click on three dot and I will copy link to post. I have to click, I have to copy this link, this post link. Just copy it and just paste it with in new tab, new window. Just enter, hit, then the post will be view here. Okay, because we are paste only post link. You can see this post from YouTube. Will see you. Yeah, okay. So if you want to post it, post on comment, you can see as of now I have my individual account, so I can comment or like as an individual. But if I want to switch it, switch to the company, so there is a one way you can do this. Okay, so you have to go in your this post URL, and the end you have to add some letter which is like. Okay, I just copy from here. I have just. Okay, so just type question mark actor company ID equal sign, and then you have to uh, enter your profile, company profile, your company page ID. Okay, so this page ID where you get, you have to go in your profile, uh, go to your company page. In company page you will see ID between your company and admin. You have to have your user, yours, you should be admin of this page. Okay, so this code you should copy. Okay, and go to the post URL and type question mark, then actor c, actor is a not capital, then type company, which is C is a company, C capital, then I is a capital, I is a capital, D is a small. Okay, so capitalization is very important in this ID. Then enter the equal sign, then paste your company, your page ID, which is I just show you. Okay, so keep the C capital and I capital, and other rest of it is small later. Okay, so just type it and enter, hit, then you can see the post will be open, reopen, and here the you know profile change from my individual to company. So now I can comment as a company like nice. Okay, so I can comment as a company. You can see this is my company page, and as I like also as a company, you can see I just like, and this is company. So important part, you have to write proper this code with the proper way. Okay, question mark actor small, then C capital, company, then I is a capital, D small, equal sign, and the company code, your page code. Okay, I hope you like this video. Thank you.